Okay. We're at the wreck already. What day is it? 8? Is it 7? It's 7. Day 7.
No, it's
day 7. Day 7. We're already here at the wreck. We're gonna lift. So yeah, get a quick lift in, and then I don't even know, bro. Let's get a lift in, bro.
So like, I know that. So down in the club, poppin' with my niggas. Kodak pop. All love rockin' on them jiggers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't hear you. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's Skrilla, that's Skrilla. Boy, I'm about my Skrilla. I'm about my Skrilla. All my niggas monkeys, we gorillas. We gorillas. All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. Hitters. Birds on my timeline, call it Twitter. I'm in the club, poppin' with my niggas. Kodak poppin'. All love rockin' off them jiggers. Money. You ain't talking money, I don't hear. What, be quiet. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's Skrilla, that's Skrilla. Boy, I'm about my Skrilla. I'm about my Skrilla. All my niggas monkeys, we gorillas. Yeah, we gorillas. All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. Boy, we some hitters. Birds on my timeline, call it Twitter. That's Skrilla, that's Skrilla. Boy, I'm about my Skrilla. I'm about my Skrilla. Nah, we ain't fucking with you niggas. I'm coming through, me and all my.
Now we're going upstairs to walk. Then that should be the last step. And we're done. So, yeah. What the fuck's in here? It's just a big ass room. Oh, it's for boxing and shit, I think. Yeah, I think it's for boxing. They have the boards in here, I think. We're on this shit now. He's even on it. So yeah, I'll catch you when we're done with this, and we'll be done. We're done. Day 7 of lifting and exercise is complete. Actually, no, we're gonna come back later today, and I think we're gonna do some more cardio. But now we're gonna go film the main part of the video none of you have been waiting for. Do you know that? You got spider webs in your shit?
Can we go now? Bro. What's up, YouTube? Alright, we're starting.
Hold on, let's do strategy though.
Do two at a time. What strategy are you talking about?
2 at a time.
2 at a time. So you can barely get them on how it is.
Fuck.
Yeah, because you guys are doing it 1 by 1.
No, I'm doing 2
Here,
at a time.
Here, you want to see how easy it is? Grab side. Go.
Oh,
Wait,
shit.
don't do stretch out.
Hold on. Get the beat.
I guess.
Yeah, my ass. You're not doing that.
Here, we all grab a side. Dude, if this shit snaps, it's gonna fucking hurt.
That's the method. That's the method.
Nah, it is.
No, it's not, bro.
We just got 8 at a time.
We just got like 8.
Wait, this might be no. Maybe. It kind of looks. Just get your side like on it.
I didn't think that we'd be able to get all these on.
Me either.
Alright, I got my nose.
Holy shit.
Dude, do you know how much strength this is gonna take though?
Dude, this is gonna be fucking nuts.
Bro, it's low-key kind of pressing in though. Damn. Shit. Oh, dude, it's gonna snap. I'm scared.
Pull it.
Down. Like a. Here.
Here, maybe we should like do like holy shit. Let me know in the box if you're gonna do a fucking cantaloupe, pineapple, we'll do all the fruits.
All the fruits.
Here, hold on. We're gonna do the biggest one yet. How much?
Can you do this with me real quick?
I bet that.
Oh shit.
Oh,
This
it's
might blow.
Go.
It might blow.
Dude, there's no way. These are tight, so it's gonna fucking blow up.
We're not even close yet, bro.
I know, but it's
Here,
so
ready?
scary.
It's kind of
Thick.
That's a start.
You literally need one person for 3. I just put it on
It
3.
takes so long. It goes way quicker if we start 2 people.
Yes. See,
Not even, bro. Well, maybe.
Is that a cut?
Go show to YouTube.
Here, I got 3 ready.
First he said, "He's not gonna be big enough around." Now he said, "There's not enough."
Brother, probably won't be.
Maybe.
It's like 50-50
Well,
now.
now that we're putting them on, I
Well,
don't
this is probably what?
Probably like 100 something.
A billion.
Easily.
Oh yeah.
Bro, we're doing like 20, like 10, 5. This is like our 10th time doing 3.
I'm scared.
Yeah, see, bro,
Yeah.
this thing's like starting to get hard to put 3 now.
The Rick friend.
Rick?
Rick and Morty.
No, that's Basher.
I don't know what the
What are you
fuck language you're
what are you
speaking,
talking
bro.
about?
Nobody has the same
I don't even
TikTok
know what
page
he's
as me.
saying.
that's Basher, bro.
Like, I don't even know what
Nobody
he's
has that
talking
TikTok
about.
page. I don't know what you're talking about. He's a
Like,
Rick
you're
friend?
speaking fucking like
Gibberish
Chinese.
and shit.
This.
Dude, alright, just stick.
Is like the Rick friend because
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go take a leak.
all they do is talk shit.
Pretty badass shit.
I've never heard that shit.
Yeah. I almost did get 300. I got 294. Something like that.
Come on here and just blow it up for back in the day.
Me and Kaden are speedrunning.
Dude, it's like,
It's
yeah. Dude, I'm gonna eat the fuck out of this shit when it's done.
I ain't even hungry right now.
I'm not even.
I was when I was at the gym, but like, I don't know, I lose my appetite when I think about shit.
Is it starting to rain?
Here's we're doing it.
We're doing the rain. Fuck it. I think it hurts my back for some reason. I don't know.
Your
My
back?
back is hurting.
I feel like an old man in my back.
Dude. Somebody's in the face is gonna be amazing.
Yeah, bro, I'm not
This is gonna be a good video.
As soon as I hear like,
How someone
I'm
died
gone.
from the watermelon and rubber band
We're
chat.
gonna have a rubber band ball. I forgot about
Rubber band challenge gone wrong.
dude,
Wait,
the
yeah.
world's biggest rubber band ball.
Oh no,
Dude,
there's
those
ones
are
that are like
massive.
fucking. No, like there's some that are like.
Like as
Remember
big
that
as-
one
big
guy
as
who
me.
used to do that and had
Yeah.
to get like, you know that what I'm
Exactly,
talking
yeah.
about, like
That
that
Dylan
Dylan
I've seen
guy
the
or whatever?
Guinness World Record. I think.
He had to get a crane to move it.
Yeah.
Is it Guinness? Guinness World Record? Or
Guinness.
Guinness.
I thought it was
Guinness.
goodness.
Guinness?
Yeah.
Hold on after that one. When you put them one.
Wait.
When you put them one. in the
No,
middle.
put your ear in. Put your ear there.
Fucking blows up.
These
You hear
It's
that?
cracking.
Wait,
you
you
can
hear
hear
that?
it cracking.
Oh hell no! You can hear like squish.
Yes, you can.
No, can you hear it like squishing together?
You
Alright,
hear
hey,
weird
hey,
close.
aim for here. Aim all
Like
in
in the
that
middle.
middle. Aim in the middle.
Yeah.
Here, here.
Get the middle.
Hold on.
Wait, look at-
Stop.
look at
Shush,
this
shush,
window.
shush, shush, shush.
Put your ear by it. You can. You can
It's like-
legit
it's
hear
like-
it cracking.
It's like it's
Aim
it's not gonna blow up.
Just quit. Hold on.
It's definitely.
It's what it is.
That's definitely like about to fucking blow.
No, Kate, no, Kate, put your ear next to it. Just do it. Hey, everyone.
I hear like.
Oh, you can hear it.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
You can hear it.
yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
splattered.
Right.
If it was gonna pop, you'd hear that motherfucker.
It's gonna. It'll be like.
Yeah.
Give it in
Well,
that
don't
and then
the
it blow
juices
up.
start coming out?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Dude, they're fuck. You're going into.
Pull it all the way
Are you
around.
going
it.
into high school yet?
No, 8th grade.
Like this. Go all the way around it.
I did.
Wait.
Dude, the top of it's like.
This one's like.
getting ready
This
to
part's
fucking
going in.
explode. Oh shit! Look at all the.
Dude, I thought that
Chill
was.
out. Yo, let's go. Let's go.
No,
Nothing's
back
making
up,
a
bro.
noise, bro.
No, when it happens.
Hey, okay, put your phone over there then.
Someone's too strong.
Don't get too close to
Dude,
it.
that's fucked up, bro.
Alright, 3. Let's go.
Alright, 3.
Oh my fuck, dude.
Alright, 3. Let's go.
Alright, 3.
Oh no! Someone get a video.
Yeah, I did.
Holy!
My POV. Dude, look at this. Wait, look at look at.
The aftermath. Dude,
Look at Cole.
this shit is everywhere.
Look right here, watch.
Bro, look at
Nah, we gotta get all POVs in it.
Day 7 complete. Hope we all enjoyed that shit. We're gonna do more shit like it tomorrow. Motherfucker just dropped the ketchup. Tomorrow we're doing. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. Just stay tuned to find out. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Date tomorrow. Let's go, baby.
It's 1900, so like, I know like.